What is happening, guys? To all my people out there, Raul TV, Team R4UL Nation out there, let's go. Raul TV Mechanics back at you again, and what we're doing this time round is I've got a 2011 Hyundai, or Hyundai if you want to call it. People call it Hyundai, but actually, have you heard the advert on the radio? It's Hyundai, yep, Hyundai i30. It's a petrol one. We're going to go ahead and replace the spark plugs. Dead easy job. You can do it in like 10-20 minutes. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. Spark plug replacement. Hyundai i30. Let's go. Right, apologies for the noise in the background. Nothing I can do about it. The heater's on. We're going to go ahead and take these off. 10 millis, this one, and this one. I've already started taking it off. That's one. That's another one. Take them two off. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take these four off. This one, this one, this one, and this one. This cover, we need to take the cover off basically. So yeah, let's take them four off. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is these little clips here, these plastic grey clips. We're just going to flick them out. I've done it on them three here. So I'll show you on this one here, as you can see there. We're going to put the screwdriver, flat screwdriver, in there. Just going to give it a little pry. Boom, there we go. Okay, that's off. What we do is we just press it there, and it comes off. Same with this one as well. Press it right there. Try showing you with the screwdriver actually. Press it there. As you can see, the clip moves back, and then all we do is like that. Another one here. So press it on that little clip. Oh, you can hear the click there. Same here as well. That little click there. Click. Press it there, and then push back. All you do is move that out of the way if you want to. I mean, you can leave it on and try taking it off, but for the sake of 4 little clips, 4 little switches, plugs, just take them off. Then what we'll do is we'll take these 10 millivolts off. This one, 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take them 4 off, and that's about it for the coil packs. Let's go. Okay, what you need to do after that is we took the coil packs off, get a ratchet extension and a 16 milli socket. If you haven't got a proper spark plug socket, just get a 16 milli socket. It should do the job. Take the spark plugs out. Use a normal ratchet. Don't use the electric ratchet to take them out and put them back in. Crack them first. If you want to, you can use the electric ratchet, but crack them first. Take one off at a time, put one in. Take one off, put one in, one at a time. Then that way you know where you are. Because if you take all of them off and come to put it back on again, then you might not know which one you've tightened up everything, but you shouldn't really get it wrong. So take one off, put a new one in, tighten it up, take another one off, put one in, tighten it up. Let's go, let's do it. Okay guys, after we've slackened them all, totally slackened, basically hand tight now, as you can see there, freestyling. Well, to get them out, top tip is you can do it 2 ways. One is you get a magnet. Boom, there we go. Magnet from the pound shop, only £1. There we go. Or what you could do is, if you haven't got a magnet, use the coil pack, put the coil pack back in, and it should come off with the coil pack. So anyway, that's the top tip. If you want to, you can use the magnet or use that. To put them back in, don't go chucking them in. Nice and easy. Gently put them in. You don't want to drop them and then, you know, mess the gap up. So basically, nice and easy, you drop them in. Let's go. So all the way with your fingers. Don't go dropping them in with your fingers. You can feel the bottom. That's it, nice and easy like that. If you go chucking them in, then you might mess the gap up, and then it's going to start misfiring and, you know, mess the spark plug up, things like that. So nice and easy again. In your hand, all the way to the bottom. Boom, there we go, that's it. Now that all the spark plugs are in there, as you can see there, all the spark plugs are in there. What we do is, obviously I told you to do them one at a time. If you haven't done them in the past, make sure you do them one at a time. But if if you're not new to the game and you know what mechanics and everything, you can do them at the same time, no problem. So what we do now is we put it on finger tight all the way. So what you do is put it in with your fingers, with your hand all the way. There we go. Then you go tightening it up. Don't go just gun them on or put the ratchet on there, start tightening it up. You don't want to cross thread them and things like that, mess your day up big time. Same with this one as well. And we'll do the same on all four and we'll go from there. Well, that is it, guys. That's how we replace the spark plugs on the Hyundai. I said Hyundai again. Hyundai i30 on petrol. And yeah, spark plugs dead easy. Dead easy. It takes you 10 minutes. If I was doing it quick time round, it would take me 10 minutes. As for tightening the spark plugs up, just go hand tight as you can. Don't go snapping them. If you want to go all professional, you can go on the auto data, check the torque settings. I'll be straight up honest with you. I've never ever torqued the spark plugs up in my life. Okay, so I've just gone with my, with my feel, with hand tight kind of thing. So yeah, it was all good. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. I'm trying my best. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Rahul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.